Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Samsung smartphone. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your Samsung smartphone. Scroll down where you will find the option accounts and backup. You need to tap on it. Here you will find the option reset. Once you tap on it, scroll a bit where you will find the option factory reset. Once you tap on this option, here you need to read all the instructions before resetting your phone, and here that you will lose all the personal accounts. These are the accounts on the phone, the application that you are logged into, the drive, everything will be reset. So once you tap on reset, maybe it will ask you to enter the password, the pin of your phone, or the pattern that you set for security reason, or you can just scan your face. So once you do that, after that your phone will restart, and when it is restarted, everything from this phone will be erased. So guys, this is it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.